Hello, investors. Welcome to Sensor 360 Investor Channel, where we use best practices and apply them to the investing process. Okay, so today we're going to focus on the trader segment within our 360 view framework of investing. And today's topic is going to be screen of the day. Before we begin, a quick word about the disclaimer. The channel is not providing financial advice. Please pause, read, and then continue. Okay, so without much further ado, let's begin with the show. And today, screen of the day is I've got 8 stocks from running the today's screen of the day. So these are momentum stocks and should be stocks that are exhibiting a lot of price strength and upward trending patterns. So we have 3 energy stocks that came through, a couple of healthcare, and 3 basic materials. So still very much a defensive look from a sector perspective. So within this different sectors, got a couple of oil and gas, it's actually different, 2 from the services, 1 from midstreams. And then we've got a coal, a couple of biotechs. And then these are the 9 stocks, just happen to 8 stocks, and just happens to have the symbol 9 at the top. Okay, so let's have so you can take a look at these, put them into your favorite charting tool. Take a look at the patterns, but I did pull the patterns for these, and so these are the 8 stocks and weekly chart patterns here using candlesticks. So very quickly, I mean, we can see this one had a significant up move. It's almost like almost kind of high type flag look to it. The flag part went on a bit too long. Nice little pullback though, and then since it pulled back and started to move off again, it's close to its pivot because you could draw a line straight across there, and so around 15-ish. And then this one we can see out of nowhere it's starting to move up. It's consolidating around that $9-10 mark, or these called 9. And then the rhythm, another one that's had quite the move up, and again consolidating quite strongly at these levels. It did break out, but may still be within range. If any pullback would be interesting on that one. Then over here we actually have a nice little double bottom pattern. The peak's a bit high, so it kind of negates it from certain systems, but overall still a double bottom pattern with a little undercut here. And then, as you can see, kind of takes across the top of that resistance line, and it's been moving up. This one requires a pullback. SGML, a nice uptrend here, pulls back in, and still pulling back in, building out this little consolidation layer. So breakout above this would be of interest. Acro, same thing, super move up from the 10 zone to the 40 zone. It's almost like a 400% up move. And now it's kind of consolidating that move, and then we'll see if it continues this move breakout. Then we have AMR, again, very similar look to Hudson. You got this kind of consolidation, double bottoming type of pattern. And then in fact, this one you could almost read it as a VCP volume volatility contraction pattern. So here's your first volatility level, then next one doesn't go as deep, and your third one even less deep. So it's definitely coiling and to strike. So you're looking about a break above here for that, and then TRMD's got a nice uptrend here, and it's forming this nice little base over here, ready for a breakout. So there's 8 patterns. A couple of them require a slight pullback to get you back in the game, but several are in bases and really poised to move on. Okay, so that is 8 stocks from today's screen of the day, and I'll run, depending on what day, what screen falls on what day, I'll do this on a regular basis. If you haven't already done so, please, if I can ask you to subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, click the thumbs up and share with your family and friends. If you're inclined to, leave a comment. That's it for this video. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. And I will see you on the next video. Goodbye.